Alright, welcome back everyone. And if you've been with the channel for any length of time, this might seem familiar. So I'm back in North Carolina, and this is the parking lot, which I have all to myself. But the parking lot here at Whitewater Falls, it's the waterfall we did. Well, I've actually been here a number of times. Last time Marissa and I were here was right after the hurricane, and they had part of the trail shut down. I don't know if that's going to be the case again today. But anyway, this is Whitewater Falls. It's the waterfall that, well, it's so large that it starts in North Carolina, runs into South Carolina, and memory serves, it is the tallest waterfall east of the Mississippi. But anyway, I came back today because the last time I was here, like I said, couldn't do the whole trail, and I didn't have a functional drone. And now that I have the Bumblebee, I'll definitely be sending it up. If we can't get around the trail all the way, then we will at least fly from the observation deck over to the waterfall. And another upside to this trail today is that we have been having a lot of rain lately, so all the waterfalls I do today should be really high flow falls. Looking forward to that. Just a reminder, this is a pay to park area. It's $3. They have the little debit card kiosk now here. They didn't used to have that, so makes it easy. But I'm gonna go ahead, head up around the trail here. It's short, not even a full half a mile, but I'm gonna do Whitewater Fall here and go see just how much flow this waterfall has this time. Thanks for coming back. All right, so you can see signs up there. Pretty sure, yeah, see, these were here last time. First time I did the hike, they didn't have the do not enter signs. So this trail actually led all the way around to the top of the waterfall, and it added 3/4 of a mile to the hike. But after Hurricane Helene, from what I heard, it pretty much messed that trail up real bad, and there's been a number of injuries, so not going to be able to take that trail. That's okay, because we do have the observation post, and we have a drone, so that we can get really good views of that. Oh, it looks good today. Yeah, I should be able to fly right over on top of it. All right, so take the stairs. We'll go look at the waterfall. Woo! Forgot all those stairs. But here it is. This is the little observation post. I will say it looks like definitely more water than the last time we were here. It looks really nice. Yeah, I should have no problem getting my drone out over that. Yeah, up there at the very top, that left-hand side, that's where the trail comes down to, and you can literally sit right on top of that waterfall and look out over the valley that's over behind us. But since the trail's shut down, we'll do the best we can with the drone we have, which much better than our old one. All right, so that's Whitewater Falls, and that was a drone with Whitewater Falls. And you can tell, pretty spectacular day. The flow looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I've got 2 other falls within just a few minutes of this spot. So I'm gonna head to those. Thank you everybody for coming out, and I will see you at Dew Falls next. Everybody, have a great day.